Good morning. My name is Keith Renna with the Renna Lending team of Prospect Mortgage, your nation's largest privately held direct lender. This mortgage update is brought to you by the Robert and Brian team at Realty Executives, certainly one of the area's top teams. You have Robert, Brian, Emily, as well as Rachel. Want to discuss and kind of update you on interest rates. Interest rates over the past 2 weeks, for the most part, have gotten worse. That means they have gone up. There's actually 8 consecutive days that interest rates went up. Over the past 3 days, rates have come down a little bit, but still, it's definitely up over the past 2 weeks. So moving forward here throughout 2011, we're going to see rates kind of hit highs and lows, or it's going to be a bit of a wave motion with interest rates, but the overall trend will be upwards. So if you have the opportunity to lock in your interest rate, open up an escrow on a purchase, go ahead and do so now and preserve that still very low 30-year fix. You can still get a 30-year fixed rate below 5%, but moving forward into the future, we're probably going to reach 5 and even get well above 5% in a relatively short period of time. If it's a short-term loan for you or a short-term purchase, then maybe look at the 5-year ARM, because those rates are still in the low 4s, maybe even get into that upper 3% range. If you have questions, please do feel comfortable contacting me. I can be reached at 661-513-3118. Another quick note is on credit scores. With an FHA loan, which is 60 to 70% of the financing that home buyers buying their primary residence, their owner-occupied residence, are doing, is FHA financing. The credit scores requirements have lowered. We can now go all the way down to a 580. Prior to this point in time, we were at 620 to 640. So that's certainly great news for potential buyers out there. If you haven't yet been in touch with Robert and Brian, contact them today. Again, Robert, Brian, Emily, and Rachel. They can all be reached at 661-964-1760. That's 661-964-1760. And thank you for spending a few minutes with me here today. Bye.